Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll talk about the nostalgia preset for the photo editing. So this photo was like that. I made the preset and applied the preset. After that you are getting this type of effects. So if I consider all the photo, this type of photo, you are getting the nostalgia effect like this. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's start the tutorial. Just deleting this one and press Ctrl or Command J, you'll get the new layer of this. That means copy of this layer. You can import your photo, like go to the file and open up, and you can import your any kind of photos. So I will prefer or suggest you to use this type of photo, just because of you're getting the light is coming in the the sunlight in the middle of the head, and you are getting the lights like that. And if you have the light issue, you can edit these things. You have that assumption to edit your lights. So after that, go to the filter and camera filter, and I'll provide that preset, and you'll insert the preset. Go to the load settings from the small menu over there, and just nostalgia and load it up. So one thing is that if you are using the earlier version of the camera 12.3, you can update these things in 12.3. So if you want to get the download link or the update download link, this camera filter, please check out my video description. So let's start the discussion about the settings, what I have done, why I have done actually. So here the exposure, I made it a little bit up, and the contrast, that is 0, and highlight minus like 46, and after that whiteness, that is plus 35, just because of here too much white, and I wanted to make it more prominent. And here the texture, I made it plus 20, and the vibrance, that is the mid-tone of the face and other full images, I just made it plus value. And let's see the curves, I made it the curves like that. For here I get some gamma over there, and if you make it like that, it will be like this. But I don't want to do that. I want to make it like a little bit gamma like this. And here input value 255 and the output value 252. Input value here 190 and the output value 184. And here input value, that is 87 and output value 82. And over there input value 0 and output value 33. And let's see the other curves I didn't touch over there. And let's see the detail options. Here I made the noise reduction, that is 16, and rest of the thing is by default. And here in a color mixture, I made the hue like this. The orange hue, I made it plus 7. That's why you're getting the orange to red type. So if you want to edit all the steps, you have that assumption. And saturation and luminance, you know that hue is the color build, that means which color will be, saturation percentage of the color, and luminance intensity of the color. Saturation, I made the red, that is plus 33, and aqua plus 18, and blues plus 23. And luminance, the red luminance, that is plus 6, orange luminance plus 23, and the aqua minus 17, and the blue, that is 19. That's good. And the split toning, you are getting the split tone, that is 90. For the highlight value, you know that highlight and the shadow, the two things, and two color define with the split tone. So here the hue portion, you know that which color will be. Here the color value 90, and the saturation, that means percentage of the color, that is 11, and the shadow to 77, and the saturation like 11, the percentage of the color value. And here three things, that means the optics, geometry, and effects. I didn't use the effect and three things. I just straight gone to this one, the calibration, minus value of the red primary color, that is minus 5, and the green primary, that is minus 6, and the blue primary minus 13. So all the thing is like that, and hit the OK button. After making this like that, you are getting the value of this. Suppose you have an image which is not similar to this, so what should you do to that kind of image. Suppose I'm opening up different type of image like this, so I'm opening it up. These images not totally like that. So what should you do to use this preset into this photo? So I'm making copy by pressing Ctrl or Command J, going to the filter, camera filter. At first I have to insert that. I'm just inserting, going to load settings options, the nostalgia, and load it up. So you're getting the things which is not really like that. So in this case you have to do something like here, going to the basic options, you have to make the white down, and here lots of grains over there. You have to go to the like detail portion. From here, noise reduction, you have to make the noise reduction up, the color noise as well. And after that, and the split toning, you have to make the split toning different type of tones if you need, like that. So this can be creative, or you can customize these preset like that. So hope that you just got my point. Just because of so many friends just asking me, your photo, in your photo the preset is not working. Actually the light and shadow, mid-tone, those are not same according to my examples image. That's why you can't use that. But if you just do something changes like light, shadow, highlight, and the split toning, you can use that preset. So hope that you learned a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. And don't forget to check out the video description for the download link of the stock images and the preset. All the best. And today I'm signing out, ASM Arif, and in the next episode I'll be back soon. And till that time, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.